What up guys, DJ Y is back again with new episode. Guys, you already guessed, today we have topic about Nelly and Ashanti. So in today's episode I want to show you Nelly linked up with Ashanti outside the show and showing some big love to each other. Literally it seems that they cooking up something special. You guys, wedding, big beautiful wedding is on the way. Stay tuned.
They ain't got nothing on me.
Everybody cheers to great show.
Guys, honestly tell me, what is your all-time favorite song by beautiful Ashanti? Please tell me in comment section. So my favorite song by Ashanti is Rain on Me, Rain on Me remix with Jarul and Hussein of Our Loves, rest in peace. This track is beautiful, man. This track has some old school vibes, man. This is beautiful, classic, without doubt, without saying, period. So guys, as you see, Nelly and Ashanti are together. They have beautiful relationship and they cooking up some wedding. As my bird told me, they going to get married very soon. So stay tuned, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells and visit hiphoptv.com. More updates is on the way. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Peace out.
TV is in the building. YTV is in the building, baby.